Hi YouTubers, how are you today? Today guys, I hope everyone is well. Very nice day, so I'm hoping everyone is well. I want to come to you guys with a Krispy Kreme sweet treat for you today. Very easy recipe, don't need much. And if you guys could give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and a comment guys, I would surely appreciate that today. Okay guys, let's go into this video that I'm going to do today. I have some Krispy Kreme donuts, some Cool Whip guys, which this is going to be optional, vanilla flavor, and a bunch of strawberries. And this is what we're going to do guys. I'm going to first go in, and I'm just going to take a little teaspoon of this out. I'm only going to make 2. And I'm going to put this in, which is a little Cool Whip, and this is optional. You don't have to do this part. And I want to put like a little cap full of vanilla flavor on that Cool Whip. That's all I'm going to do. And that's going to go into our recipe that I'm getting ready to make guys. Okay, we're going to leave that alone, and we're going to come out. I washed these strawberries already. I'm going to do it just like this, which is going to be the topping for my dessert. Did you guys see that? That's how we're going to do that. Okay, those 2 are going to be my topping guys. I'm going to chop these up in small bite-sized pieces. Okay, come in and let those, I didn't see our strawberries. We don't want the head of them. We're just cutting that red part off. We're going to cut up about 10 of them guys. Alright guys, see how I cut these strawberries up? That was my whole little pint of strawberries. See those? How delicious they are. You want to take some of them guys and put them into your bowl. I do have the recipe if you want to make your Cool Whip from scratch guys. How to mix it up. It will be down in my bio guys, so you could see it. Okay, so take some of those strawberries up, and you just want to take a little bit of sugar and go in with it. Okay, see how I did that real quick, and I'm going to put a little more. I have to share with my neighbor all the time guys, so that's why you see me making them. Being nice to my neighbor. Okay, now we're going to let that sit for about 2 minutes guys, and then we're going to go ahead and build our donut, our Krispy Kreme treat for today. Alright guys, I'm back, and this is what we're going to do. Those sat for about 3 minutes, and I let the sugar get around on them. We're going to get 2 or 3 or 4, however you want to do it. And we're going to make our Krispy Kreme donut treat guys. This is one that everyone will love, and I'm sure you won't have a hard time having people to eat this. Okay, this is what you want to do. You want to go in with your Cool Whip. You may want to go a little neater than Mama Ray Ray. Okay, put that over there. And we're going to top it with some strawberries, guys. Just a nice little treat. Make you feel good for the day. Don't want to do it too often. Okay, they're going to take that little strawberries, put them in, go in with your donut on the top, go in with that donut on the top. Remember we had the other one, the whipped cream. We'll put that little vanilla in there. I'm going to put that on top, guys. Here's your treat. Uh-oh. Okay, guys. And instead of a cherry on top, we got a strawberry on top. Alright, there's your treat for the weekend, guys. Your holiday treat. Alright, guys, if you liked this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and a comment, guys. Voila! Bye-bye.